In this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to music for free using the Spotify app on your mobile device. Welcome to Apps That Rule. I'm the Fantastic Joe. If you want to learn about tips, tricks, and how-tos for the best applications on your mobile device, then consider subscribing. Hit the bell while you're at it. That way you'll know when a new video drops. All right, first off, I want to know, do you use Spotify on your mobile phone, on your Android, your iPhone? If you do you listen for free or do you pay for it? Do me a favor, go in the comments real quick, type hashtag yes or no if that's what you do. All right, jumping into the app. If you are not a current Spotify user, then you have to jump in, you have to sign up either by email or you could do Facebook, whichever you prefer, whatever your choice is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump into your library and we're going to select create playlist, and I'm just gonna put anything you want to put. I'm gonna put great songs. Create. All right, now we're gonna add some songs. Let's find some songs for your playlist. Let's see. All right, we're just gonna go in. It's giving us some suggested stuff. You can add literally anything you want to your playlist, but we'll go in, we'll add Mr. Jones, we'll do Piano Man, some Tiny Dancer. Let's do Africa by Toto. All right, that's good enough. All right, so now we're done. You can add any song, like I said. We'll just search for one. Of course, my favorite band, Shinedown. Boom, Second Chance. We can add that. And 45, let's try that. All right, when you're done selecting all your songs, hit the X button to exit back out. And then you'll see these songs that you added. They added some other stuff or whatever. So what you can do then is hit the shuffle button, shuffle play. It's gonna play and it'll shuffle through that playlist. So the best tip that I could give you is add as many possible songs as you can to it. I like to do it by genre, so I'll have like rock and roll, or I'll have a workout playlist or something like that. You could even have Christmas, holiday playlists, stuff like that. Then you just hit shuffle. It's gonna play ads. It's just like radio, normal radio, where it's gonna play commercials or whatever, but it's free. All right, so that's really simple. You set up a playlist, you add the songs, you can even add albums that you want, and you hit shuffle and you're ready to go in a matter of seconds. You could be hitting the road, you could be hitting the gym, you could just be sitting around studying and listening to your favorite music, all free, all free. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you guys, we're gonna jump back in the app, and it's a little secret tip thing. It's very simple, but some people just don't know. You can go in and check out Years in Rewind, rediscover music from your years past, best of artists, made for you. So they have daily mixes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, release radar. There's all kinds of discover weekly. You can listen to daily playlists that it makes for you to listen to. Summer sounds, recommended for today. This is all free music. It comes with ads, but it's all free. You can simply just hit this button and it's gonna jump in. You hit shuffle play and it's gonna play these songs. It doesn't come better than that. Why pay the extra money to listen to music? So there's a couple other tricks I wanted to show you as well that I like to do for some of my settings, I guess. You can always go in and change your streaming quality. I do automatic. I mean, that's all up to you on how much data you want to use. If you're on Wi-Fi, it's not as big of a deal. And another thing I really like to do is I go into playback and I like to adjust my crossfade. I like when songs overlap each other in a sense, so it's almost like you're at a club or somewhere where the songs are overlapping. It's never ending. The only time it does interrupt is, like I said, when ads play and stuff like that. And then you can also, I like to go in the equalizer and I like to mess around with the lows and the mids and the highs. Quick, simple, to the point. Mom, it was your idea. I know you're probably watching this because I shared it with you. It was her idea. She wanted to spend some money on streaming music. I told her, don't worry about doing that. Go download the Spotify app, add some songs to your playlist, hit shuffle, and you're on your way, all for free. If you have not subscribed yet and you want to learn more about tips, tricks, and how-tos for the best applications for your mobile device, consider hitting that subscribe button, smashing the bell, and check out this playlist right here of more videos on the best apps for your mobile device, or you can check out this video right here. This is what YouTube recommends you watch next, and I'll see you next time.